How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yes, I slept like a baby. How about you? I love starting my day with a cup of coffee.
Have you had breakfast yet?
Yes, I had some toast and fruit. What about you?
What do you do for a living?
I work in marketing. How about you?
How's the weather outside?
It's sunny today. What's it like where you are?
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely more of a night owl. What about you?
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food. How about you?
Have you been on any exciting trips lately?
I recently went to USA. It was amazing.
What's your go-to way to relax after a long day?
I like to unwind by reading a book. What about you?